Hello everyone, welcome back everyone to the NASCAR Heat 5 for the Truck Series Career Mode. So we're going off to WWT Raceway. Alright, so this is how the points look right now. Of course the numbers are gone again. Why does it do that? I have no idea. But this is how it looks, guys. So we're starting the playoffs. It's right now with us with a 74 plus lead. Stuart Friesen, Johnny Sauter, Grant Enfinger, Brett Moffitt, Ross Chastain, and Todd Gilliland and Matt Crafton are the top 8 in the green, with Jordan Anderson -2 and Austin Hill -1. That don't make a crap of sense. I have no idea. So anyway, the round of 10 of the playoffs. And again, make sure you do hit that red subscribe button. A win will move us on to the next round of the playoffs. So we have this track, we have Canyon Tire, and we have Bristol, and then the next round for the round of 8 begins at Las Vegas, Talladega, and Martinsville, where hopefully we do not goof like that again, and we go off to Phoenix. So that's how the rest of the playoff the way thing will look. Alright, so we're going off to WWT Raceway. 80 laps. Let's hop onto it to start the playoffs. Alright, here we are at WWT Raceway, which is at Gateway. Ross Chastain has dominated all weekend. Gus Dean is happy with you. Okay. And Matt Crafton gave up qualifying position for new tires. Let's go. Green flag, start the Truck Series playoffs. Oh man, so we're going to be like 2 or 3 laps short. So since Ross Chastain has been dominating all weekend, that could be good or it could be bad. Jordan Anderson's in the playoffs. Austin Hill's in the playoffs. Johnny Sauter, Ross Chastain, me, Todd Gilliland. It's pretty good to see those drivers up there and in the playoffs, fighting for a playoff spot. Hopefully we can get at them today. Oh my goodness. 1 through 5th are all playoff drivers. Like, what? Yeah, 1 through 5 are all playoff drivers. And Ross Chastain, he is fast. With 14 laps to go left in this stage, 11 laps on fuel. A win will get you into the next round. So, but yeah, a win will get you into the next round where hopefully we can keep on trying. Right now, it's been a while. Right now, we're on lap 9, and it's taken me 9 laps just for this car to come to life. 9 laps! Are you kidding? 9 laps just for this car to come to life. We got 8 laps to go left in this stage. New leader, 48. There we go, we'll take it, Oh man, more lap crash. Traffic, not crash, I meant traffic. Andrea Rush, we have tried to get her into the playoffs, it just didn't work out this year. 7 laps to go. Oh man, this car is starting to get snug on me a little bit. Oh my goodness. Slow traffic. All clear. Slow traffic. Clear high, bud. Yeah, Ross Chastain, have fun getting around this traffic. Oh boy. I think, yeah, we got cars pitting. Where angle of coming down pit road. Oh man, we're gonna lap a bunch. Hopefully we can lap a bunch more. Oh, Ross Chastain's on pit road. Ah! Caution is out. Yeah, I gotta come down pit road here. Rats. Okay, here we go. 2 laps to go, man. I could have stayed out on the track. Yeah, there's nothing. Whoa! I remember this thing takes almost 9 laps just to get going. So if we have a green-white checker, this car's junk. Then this truck doesn't have it. Oh man, this is going to end bad for someone.
Still there.
3 wide. Hey, this is the playoffs here, so we got to go. Hey, this is the playoffs, so get out of my way. All right, white flag in stage 1. You watch, you'll probably see him stay out on the track. Oh, here comes Ross Chastain. Block. Mine. All right, stage winner, 48. There we go, we'll take it. All right, we got 63 laps to go, 12 laps on fuel. Everybody's staying out. Well, Jordan Anderson, them got points, and the ones that are in the playoffs, Todd Gilliland did not. I'm coming back down pit road. 4 tires and fuel, please. I will take that. All right, so Jordan Anderson got the 3 pass. 14 laps in this stage, and I'm glad I pitted. So if this race stays green, I hope this stage does actually stay green. Then we're in the catback seat to put him more laps down. Get around Grant Enfinger, that's a spot. He's in the playoffs. Austin Hill's in the playoffs. Ross Chastain's in the playoffs. Of course, I'm in the playoffs. Jordan Anderson. Johnny Sauter. "13 laps to go in stage 2. Remember, this thing takes like 9 laps just for it to get going, so... Here we go, battle for the lead. There we go, new leader, 48. And this time it took 6 laps this time. And we got 8 laps to go left in this stage. So right now, we're just going to keep pulling away here. I would like to know who brought out the caution. Zane Smith and Spencer Boyd's out of the race. Well, I guess I gotta come down pit road. Piece of junk. Piece of junk. Alright, how many laps I got left? 3 laps to go. I was hoping that race would have stayed green. I got 2 playoff drivers behind me. I adjusted the tire thing to make it even a little more, see if hoping that'll help it out a little more. So coming down to 2 to go. 2 laps to go. Left in stage 2. That time got a little better corner that time. Alright, final lap in stage 2. So there There we go. That's another stage win right there. We're going to come up and win. We end up winning stage 1. Now we're going to come up and win stage 2. There we go. We'll take it. Well, we got 46 laps to go. I'm coming down pit road, 4 tires and fuel. Green flag, back under green. 43 laps to go. I just want to get this lead and pull away is all I want to do. I just want to pull away, I just want to pull away, I just want to pull away. I just want to pull away from this field. Nope, 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 nope.
Careful, still there. All clear.
That's all I want to do. I just want to pull away. Well, it's definitely been a while. So we got 36 laps to go. I'm coming down pit road here. Ross Chastain, if you want to stay out, help yourself. And that's what some drivers did. They stayed out. Just made a mistake. Green flag. 33 laps to go. I'm here. Go through the grass. Hey, it's playoffs. Hit them a little bit. See you later. Nearly your 48. 32 laps to go. Anyway, let's pull away. Well, it's definitely been a little while, and right now we got cars pitting. I got right now about a 4.1 second gap lead on second place. Your Ross Chastain number on pit road. That's the time we want to lap them. We got 26 laps to go left in the race. I'm starting to catch up to a little more cars up ahead, and they're coming down pit road. Ross Chastain can stay in pit road as long as he wants. I'm fine with that. More cars pitting. With 25 to go. 25 laps to go. Going to keep on going. Oh boy, our fuel thing just came on. And our tire thing just came on too, so. Well, that's just great. We're going to have about 20 laps to go left in the race. Oh, we got a ghost. Austin Wayne Self is a ghost. Look at that. See, Austin Wayne Self is a ghost. Austin Wayne Self is a ghost. Oh, now we got more cars pitting. All right, so if the caution wants to go and come out, he can come out. Alright, caution, so if you want to go ahead and come out, you can go ahead and come on out. Hello?
Watch those tires.
Alright. 19 laps to go. Caution is out. I'm definitely coming down pit road now. Well, okay, this changes everything. Jordan Anderson's now in the lead. 16 laps to go, 15 on field. And it's going to be pretty close. Whoa!
Stay high, stay high. Hold your line, got one outside. All the way to the wall.
Now we got to try to get around him. Of Jordan Anderson, we got 15 laps to go.
Careful, still there.
I don't want to wreck him either, so I just want to try to race him clean as much as I can.
Careful, still there. Stay high, stay high.
And that would have been a photo finish there if that was there. Right now, we're in the lead now. New leader, 48. Third for all them took the wave round, so it's me and Jordan Anderson. We're going to keep on going. Well, we got 7 laps to go and got cars pitting. I'm trying to back down a little bit, trying to save a little bit of fuel. I'm trying to back down and hopefully try maybe have enough to get to the finish line, but it's going to be pretty close there, so it's going to be pretty close. I got 6 laps to go.
Still there. Clear high, clear high.
I'm backing down a little more, trying to save fuel. So I'm trying to hopefully maybe save enough right here. Right there, so he got around Jordan Anderson. He got 5 laps to go. Whoa!
Call the caution.
Darn it! I guess I now got to come down pit road now. Well, this just gets worse. Darn! Alright, we got 2 laps to go. 2 laps to go. Whatever I got, it's got to go.
Careful, still there. Car outside. Careful, still there. All right, you're clear.
This is for the next round. There we go. So that's the first time I had to make a wedge adjustment down on the track bar for this little quick run here. And it's going good right now. White flag. Final lap here at Gateway. Yeah, this is going to pay off right here for us, and we're going to get a win. And we're going to move on so that we don't have to worry about any of those other tracks coming up. Boy, yeah, boys, we don't have to worry about Canadian Tire or Bristol. We're going to the next round. There we go. We'll take it. What's up, everyone? Next round for us. Plus more money that's going to help us. We'll take it. Alright, so here's the finisher results. It's me won the race with Ross Chastain, Christian Enkins, Jordan Anderson with a good finish in 4th, and Todd Gilliland in 5th, and Johnny Sauter in 6th was the last car on the lead lap, with Austin Hill, Grant Vanger, Matt Crafton, and Tom Majewski the top 10. And we'll quickly look at everybody else here. All the way down to Zane Smith that had problems. Zane Smith, Spencer Boyd, Stuart Friesen, Ben Rhodes, and Clay Greenfield, all of them had problems. Wow. Now that's how the points looks right now. We advance to the next round. We will take that. We'll take it. A victory for us. We move on to the next round. We don't have to worry about King of the Tire, and we also do not have to worry about Bristol. Booyah! Alright, so we'll be going off to King of the Tire. We got that one, and then Bristol, and then begin. So we are good. We are moving on to the next round of the playoffs. We don't have to worry about that. So we're going off to King of the Tire the next time we do it. So I appreciate you all. And we're going to quickly look at the playoff standings right now real quick. And that's how it looks right now with Jordan Anderson plus 13 and Matt Crafton and Stuart Friesen are tied. So Stuart Friesen had problems and that dropped him and Brett Moffitt as well. Appreciate you all. Thank you all. We'll see you all in King of the Tire.